Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and we're gonna hop in right into today's video with a 2016 Nissan GTR rebuild. Today's video, we're gonna expect the damage, to get a part sheet ready, and start taking some of the damaged parts off. So I finally got some of this front end parts taken off, and we have bad news. The frame rail is gone. That will need to be replaced. Good thing I just checked with Nissan, and they sell a front extension for the frame rails where you're allowed to cut and re-weld the frame extension. So this will have to be pulled, cut, and a new extension will have to be welded. Went ahead, took the fender off, inspected. There's no more damage over here on the passenger side, but a battery. I did find something cool. It's a ECA for flex fuel, so meaning this is on E85. I noticed something was wrong with the rear wheel, why the fitment was off, and this front one's good, and this front one was sticking out too much, and that's how it's supposed to be in the rear. So turns out this is a 285 in the front. The guy before he totaled it out, I guess he had some wheels on it, so he threw on back of these original wheels and he mixed them up. The 285 is over here in the front. That's supposed to be in the left side corner back there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, put it where it needs to be, and after that I'm gonna start taking off the dashboard, the driver airbag, and both of the seat belts and the airbag module, so I can have that sent in and new parts come in. And while that, I'm gonna start making a part sheet and calling Nissan tomorrow. So long story short, I'm basically gonna have to put those back on because one of them is the lock nut and they didn't leave one inside the car, so I will have to order that in order to replace these wheels. So I went ahead and pulled the dashboard out. It's a mess in here. I also went ahead, got the seat belts pulled out as well, so I can get those sent off in the airbag module. I really hope I can put this back together. All right, guys, so that basically sums it up for the first video. We got the front end taken apart, went ahead and went in the inside, got the dashboard out, got both of the seat belts taken out, found the airbag module, super easy to find, got that taken out, taken care of. Went ahead, made a part sheet, called Nissan, got a few part quotes. If you guys have any used parts, please let me know. I will be needing those. For next week's, hopefully frame rail will be coming in and we'll be going to the frame shop. So stay tuned for that.